I wanted to have a discussion on listing your home, all the things to do. And so I'm at a client's house. We've been doing some walkthroughs talking about what to do. If there's items to remove, if there's paint that should, those colors that aren't quite in trend, or colors that just are too bright, too dark. And so I'm at a client's house and we are discussing all those things. You see the shelf behind me? It could absolutely have half of it purged. The motorcycle helmets, that doesn't quite sell a cute vintage house in Anacortes. And, the map that was taken down, that could absolutely go back up because it does convey the thought that we're on an island. It goes along with the theme of Anacortes House. And we've got this awesome fish picture. Yes, that can stay. And check out this color. So these walls were beige. I suggested get rid of the beige. Get rid of the outdated color. It was too pinky, too peachy. So this is the new pale gray. It's just a great color. And so you can tell that they've definitely been pulling everything off the walls and painting and doing an awesome job. And that is one of the things. If you're not a good painter, hire it out, because everyone loves to see a well-painted, professionally painted home. So if that's not your forte, hire it out. You can see this home has a lot of molding, a lot of crown, a lot of big baseboards. That is a lot of tedious work. So if you are not a professional, if you're not good at all the prepping steps, hire it out. It'll save you a lot of heartache. It will save you a whole lot of cursing, maybe. Yeah. So there's a lot of great professional painters out there. It's pretty easy to find. Ask your real estate agent, hey, who would you use? And there's a lot of great videos out there. If you think you can paint it and you want to paint it, or you just can't afford to hire it out, I've got some great painting tip videos also. I flipped houses for quite a few years, and so I do know quite a few of the tricks. So this house is one of those. You went from beige to this awesome gray. Actually kind of goes with my shirt here. But, to go back to what to do for the listing, take down your personal photos. Take down a lot of the big chunky stuff that just doesn't convey the easy living of a house, the theme, the feeling that you want people to have when they come in. And all of us here on either Fidalgo Island, Whidbey Island, a lot of it, could be nautical, but don't go overboard. Don't make it so kitschy and cutesy. Just make it calm, an easy living area. So people can walk in and say, oh yeah, I could easily fit my couch here. I could fit my artwork here. And so don't overload it with furniture. If you have a lot of big, bulky furniture, put it in storage. Or if you aren't keeping it, go ahead and get rid of it. There's a lot of great nonprofits that will also come pick that up. Habitat for Humanity, they have a truck. They will come pick up those items. So definitely look towards your nonprofits. Our Island Thrift nonprofit, they do also a good job with their thrift store, and you can easily drop off items to them. So that is my tidbit on prepping a house for listing it to sell it for a top profit. And our buyers definitely want a move-in ready home. The thought of individuals wanting some sweat equity, those days are really over. So definitely think you want your house to be 100% so you get your top dollar and you get offers quick and that you don't have to stay on the market long. So that's my little tidbits. And definitely go to my other videos. Go to my move to Whidbey for more information. And you can always buzz me. And always, have a great day. Bye.